Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, and welcome to this week's episode of Maconomics. I'm your host, Ross Mack, and I'm here to try to help you get to a bag. We got a new caller calling. Talk to me what you got.
Hey, dig, right? See, I was listening to that new Money Man LLC. But see, I got a business as a professional car dealer. You got to play the hand you was dealt, right? But aside from that, man, I was just wondering, should I get an LLC? And if I do, what's the benefits?
Man, great question, man. I definitely rock with the song by Money Man LLC. So let me actually break it down, right? So if you're a business owner, right, I think at the end of the day, there are a lot of steps that you might want to start considering, especially when it comes to actually talking about the benefits of forming an LLC. What is it? It's a limited liability company. It's a U.S. business structure that's going to combine the simplicity, flexibility, and tax advantages of a partnership with the personal liability protection of a corporation. So the owners of the LLC are called members, right? There's no limit to the amount of members you can have, right? So now let's actually talk about several of the benefits of actually forming an LLC, right? One is going to be limited personal liability. Members aren't personally liable for the actions of the company. This means members' personal assets, home, cars, bank accounts, etc., are protected from creditors when it comes to actually collecting on the business. If your business is a sole proprietor or partnership, your business debts can become your own personal debts. So you definitely don't want that. That's one why an LLC is good. Two, there are tax advantages. LLCs offer business owners flexibility in choosing how their business income will be taxed at the federal level. LLCs don't have their own federal tax classification, but they can adopt the tax status of you, the sole proprietor in this case, right? LLCs can take advantage of pass-through taxation, which an LLC does not have to pay LLC taxes or corporate taxes. Instead, the LLC's income and expenses are able to be passed through to the owner's personal tax returns, and the owner pays personal income taxes on any of the profits. And another really good thing is the idea of actually passing through the expenses, right? In other words, these will be qualified deductions, right? Business expenses that will help you lower your overall taxable income when it comes to, actually filing your own personal taxes. And three, simplicity. A LLC is actually relatively simple to actually form and operate. Unlike a corporation, it's not necessary to have officers and directors, board, shareholder meetings, and all that other administrative burdens, right? A LLC is a lot more simple. Another thing to consider if you decide to go the LLC route is actually getting business insurance. Businesses need business insurance because it helps cover the costs associated with property damage and liability claims. Without business insurance, business owners may have to pay out of pocket for costly damages and legal claims against their company. Depending on the incident, this could actually be financially devastating to business owners. As a business owner, preparation is key. Business cycles are unpredictable, but with State Farm, there is peace of mind in knowing that you and your business is covered. State Farm is here to help you prepare for the unexpected. Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there.